Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Filipino-style tuna sandwich. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need canned tuna, mayonnaise, and your favorite bread, like pandesal or sliced white bread. For that authentic Filipino flavor, we'll also use finely chopped onion, a pinch of salt, and a dash of ground black pepper. Some recipes also include sweet pickle relish or even a hard-boiled egg for extra texture. Remember to drain your tuna thoroughly to avoid a soggy sandwich. Now, let's prepare the star of our sandwich, the tuna filling. Begin by draining your canned tuna completely. This is crucial for a good consistency. Next, flake the tuna well with a fork in a bowl to ensure there are no large chunks. Add your mayonnaise, chopped onion, salt, and pepper to the tuna. If you're using sweet pickle relish, add it now. Mix all these ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and have a creamy, spreadable texture. With your delicious tuna mixture ready, it's time to assemble your sandwich. Take a slice of your chosen bread and spread a generous amount of the tuna filling evenly across it. For an added crunch and freshness, you can include optional ingredients like crisp lettuce leaves or thinly sliced tomatoes. Place a second slice of bread on top to complete your sandwich. For a classic look and easier eating, cut your sandwich diagonally into 2 triangles. Your Filipino-style tuna sandwich is now ready to be enjoyed. For the best taste and texture, serve it immediately. This delightful sandwich pairs wonderfully with a refreshing cold drink, like iced tea or juice, or even a light side salad. It's a perfect option for a quick snack, a packed lunch, or a simple, satisfying meal. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the O-Ala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. This easy-to-make sandwich is sure to become a favorite in your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.